Have a soft spot for cats, but I think my heart might be even softer for you. Come spend some time with me and my little happiness. I promise my kittens has a charm that irresistible, but I have a feeling you will outshine even the cutest of them. But I warn you, my cats are cute enough to steal your heart, but I have a feeling you'll be more distracted by me. Come over, meet my little mischief makers, and let's see who charms you more. Hi, hello, this is Julio, nga pala ang pangalan ko. Handang tumulong at samahan kayo sa abot ng makakaya ko. Good vibes lang dito, walang halong paglastikan. Puro tawanan at kasiyahan lang ang hatid ng channel ko. Do you like to sing? Then come closer, let me spin you around as I sing just for you. Make a wish, pick a song and let's sway, laugh and get lost in the music until it's just us and the rhythm of our hearts. Do you like to dance? Then take my heart, I want to feel you close as our bodies move as one. Whisper a song into my ear and I'll sing and dance it only for you while we sway, letting the music and the moment pull us together in a world of our own. Hello, this is Julio, ang pangalan ko. Ang tungtulong at samahan kayo sa abot ng makakaya ko. Good vibes lang dito, walang halong kaplastikan. Puro tawanan at kasiyahan lang ang hatid ng channel ko. I may be simple without the allure of striking beauty, but my heart is full of laughter and warmth. I love to joke, to smile and to light up the days of those I hold dear. My love for my mother and daughter runs deep, but my love for you is a different